All right, welcome back everybody. I want to show you an actual product listing and just some of the stuff that I won't show you this page because it actually has the product on it, but this is some of the information that we do require from our customers, all right? So I'm actually just filling this out right now, and this is some of the information that we would ask you if we are listing your product for you, all right, which is something that we do, and not many people know that we actually do product listings for you. So if you're looking for a product listing, if you're looking for help finding product ideas, if you're looking for how to get the best price, how to basically buy the deal, fund the products, get the best, basically get it to Australia or the USA warehouse. We ask our clients to fill in documents like this, right? So ready for us to list your product, all right? So we have a bit of information here. We've worked out calculations on the profit margins involved. We've got the supplier address there. So we're asking for the supplier address right there. And the shipping weight, 68, that's per product right there. The dimensions, you got the UPC code, right? What else we got here? Okay, yeah, we've got the manufacturer name, right? The ASIN, the UPC code, the dimensions. We do barcodes. Now, not many people know this, but barcodes need to be placed on every single product. Guess what? They're hard to generate, and that's why we do it. We have a team that actually generate barcodes for you, all right? We've got basically a full-time person just spitting out barcodes every single day and for our clients to make it easier for them and faster. That's the most important thing. In any business, you need speed, right? So you need these barcodes printed out as fast as you possibly can. And guess what? You also need an Amazon FBA label. So each one of these barcodes needs to be placed on the product, right? And then once on the product, you have 50 units, you put into a big box, and then this is what we call an Amazon FBA label. That needs to be applied and applied to every single carton that you send out on its way to the Amazon warehouse. What else? Variations, this is something as well, gray, brown, pink. So if you have a product that has maybe 50 units of gray, 50 units of brown, 50 units of pink, right? They're called product variations, and those need to have a separate barcode, all right? And guess what? We actually create the barcode for you, all right? What else we've got here? Product packaging size, product packaging weight. So these are the sort of things, guys, we would help you with, I would help you with, and we have a team also assisting you with basically figuring this sort of stuff out if you have questions, right? But it's really when we're listing it, it's really a simple process. I've had people contact me and say, I listed my first product and it was tough. And when you listed my product, it was pretty much like a breeze, like so much easier to list. So we have a team. We can help you if you want help for us to list the product for you. I can list the product for you. Our team can list the product for you. If you want help in finding product ideas, I would love to be a part of your Amazon journey. Have a fantastic day. I wish you the best. See you later. Bye for now. Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.